Hello, everyone. I am home. My surgery got canceled this week, so I wasn't able to get surgery. But it's going to be rescheduled soon. I have to go back next week for some cardiology tests, echocardiogram, stress tests. Once that's approved, I can be scheduled for surgery again. So I guess I'm just awaiting for that and ready to get it over with and, begin my next journey of healing. I have a long road ahead. One of at least probably 3 surgeries, but at least that will be done. Now I guess I can just prepare for Christmas because I doubt my surgery is going to be before Christmas. Today is December the 6th, Friday. So it'll probably be after Christmas, I'm sure. But I will let you guys know as soon as I know. Thank you for your love and support and your prayers.